Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make like a heart-shaped frame in CapCut not CapCut PC, this is CapCut Mobile. So get like a green color and a pink color. Cosmo and Wanda? Okay, sorry. Anyway, select the pink color and then, well, choose any color you want. I just chose pink, but you do need the green screen to be, well, green. Select it and then select overlay. Then on the pink one, you're going to select mask. Select the heart shape, of course. Then we are going to just export that. Also make sure the duration is super long. Mine is like 3 seconds, but if your video is like 6 seconds, you need the duration to be 6 seconds. Select overlay, and add in the video. Adjust it. Go to cutout and go to chroma key and select the green bit, intensity, and up the intensity. And then you are going to actually use the mask button again on this heart shape, but invert. You can kind of feather it out a little bit if you like to, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!